Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Temu Australia. In order to log into your Temu Australia account, the first thing to do is to open your Temu application on your device, or you can also open up a web browser and then type in temu.com in the URL box. Once you end up in the official website of Temu, go to the top right corner and click on the sign in/register button. Soon after you do that, you will bring up this pop-up where you can simply enter your email or phone number in the text box. Make sure to type in the email or phone number associated with your existing Temu account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and enter an email right here and follow the process in order to sign up and get started with Temu. After entering your email or phone number, click continue. Once you click on continue, on the next field, it will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your login password in the text box. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot password link and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click on sign in and you will then be able to log into your Temu Australia account. Once logged in, you can explore Temu's wide range of products including clothing, beauty items, home goods, jewelry and more. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.